Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq reversed early gains as bond yields hit fresh multi-year highs ahead of a speech by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, with investors worried about aggressive interest rate hikes this year. The United States imposed sanctions on dozens of people and entities, including a Russian commercial bank and a virtual currency mining company, hoping to target Moscow's evasion of existing sanctions over Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The euro rose to a more than 1 week high against the dollar after a spate of hawkish comments from European Central Bank officials raised bets that Eurozone interest rates will rise soon.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's current account will be released at 0800 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1700 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.